Basically, we are moving with Government of India. We are asking Government of India to amend that particular part. As I mentioned earlier to you, that for Government of India, it's not so simple in the sense that when they make a law, it's a law for the country. So it's not always possible for them to say, well, this is a law, but this clause is for Meghalaya, this clause is for. They did it for the sixth schedule, but it's not possible when they make all the laws. So therefore, otherwise every state will demand. So that's the reason why at that point in time when the 100 hectares condition came up, rather than arguing and trying to change those aspects, we felt that it was important to get through and at least start the process of mining and getting some licenses through. We went ahead and we got it. Now our second phase and step is to exactly achieve what you mentioned. I am hopeful, I'm very hopeful that we will get a positive response. But as you understand, it requires a lot of homework and a lot of lobbying at the grassroots level, at the Government of India level, and meeting all the different officials, meeting the minister, meeting all the honorable prime minister. So we are doing our homework. We are on it, but it is taking time, as I said, because it is not a simple decision. Government of India, once they entertain one state, then you'll see other states also coming in and asking special provisions for themselves also. So it's not always possible for them to think. So, but we are still hopeful, as I said, that it will be done. So basically, there is plus and there is minus. I'm not a mining engineer, so I cannot comment on all the aspects. But yeah, basically looking at things, everything has got a plus, everything has got a minus. As you said, an open cast mine will open up the entire mine, and if it rains, then the entire flow will be there, water will flow. So all those aspects are there. That's the reason why there is a mining plan. That's why there are competent authorities and agencies at the Government of India level. So they check and they give the approvals, and therefore, as of now, we have to go with that. And yes, we could argue in multiple ways regarding the pros and cons, even not at a national level, even at international level. There have been large discussions on the benefits and the negative side of open cast and tunnel mining. So all of these discussions are happening, but as I said, everything's got pros and cons. But as of now, because the regulations require us to move through the authorities at central government, those are the mining plans that they have approved. And as of now, we'll have to go ahead with those plans.